BCH, we start with the daily chart. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, when we get this correction, we mentioned how deep it can go. Then from there, we come up with the target. As we can see, the price tag 347 as what we expected, and there was no breakout. Then we see the reversal. And at that point, we come up with the 360 as the first target based on daily, following by 3752. The price couldn't, after the breakout of the 630, we don't see the price couldn't tag 752, almost near to what we expected. And now we're looking at this correction. Okay, first of all, for those traders who get the trade for buy within this correction, if they are keeping the trade, at least they need to book some profit. And now want to see how deep this correction can go. Okay, for me, with the breakout of this low, we can expect the price drop to 532, following by 490 before we see the reversal and continuation. Okay, because for me, I'm looking at this one as a running flat. Most of the chart, we see the correction as a running flat. Okay, because it doesn't mean that this is the what I'm looking for. It doesn't mean the price cannot break this 490. We can expect with the breakout of 490, we can expect the price to retest this low and this one turn to expanding flat. But at this point, for me, I'm looking at this one as a running flat. How deep it can go, we come up with this support. That means if the price, we see this correction, any reversal, any opportunity for buy from there, I will take it. Then with the breakout of 630, the next target I'm looking for is 752. This is the target based on the daily chart. Okay. Anyway, at this point, we're looking at this correction. Any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we'll take it. And we don't need to wait for the price to drop to any of this level. That's mean if we see any opportunity for buy from here as a reversal, we'll take it. And if I move to lower time frame and if I move to forward chart, at this point, we're looking at this one. We want to see with the breakout of this low, how sharp we see the continuation. Okay, if we see the continuation, we just let it go. We know how deep it can go, but if we see the reversal, then from there, I will take the trade. And mostly, if I want to look for trade, I will take the trade based on a 1 hour chart. First thing, with the breakout of this low, we see we have a divergence. That's why any reversal as a sharp move flag from there will be the best. And if the price tag, we see the reversal, then having entry above this can be an option. But if we see the price tag break, we see the continuation, then we don't need to put our entry above here. Then from there, we can look for the reversal as a sharp move flag. Okay, but at this point, can we put our entry above here? Because since we have this shadow, some of the traders, they consider this one as a low. That's why they can consider as a divergence. Okay, that means we have two possibilities. Either we look at this one as a divergence with the breakout of this low, or since this is the shadow, we don't need to wait for that. And at this point, we consider this one as a shadow. If anyone looking at the chart in this way, then they can put their entry above here. That means for me, I will not I will not make it very complex. Having entry above this at this point for me can be an option. And what I want, if the price reverse as a sharp move, then I will be in the trade. That's mean I want to reverse, so the price reverse as a sharp move, and we want a price tag break and continue. If the price tag within the first or maximum second hours, we see there is no continuation, I will take out the trade in the break even. Okay. Anyway, any opportunity for buy from here, for me, I'm interested to look for. And if we move to higher time frame, and if we move to weekly chart, all right, maybe we move to monthly, it will be more clear. And even based on monthly chart, since the price was within here, before we get this moves, I was looking for the breakout of the 678 following by 860, because I mentioned with the breakout of this zone, we are looking to 1.6k. Okay, the price tag 678, but there was no continuation. That's why we can expect the price consolidate here also for the longer time, but we don't need to care about that. Okay, the breakout of this zone, then we can expect for the 1.6k. All right, anyway, we don't need to look at the chart at this point based on monthly chart. I mean at the higher time frame. That's why we move to lower time frame. And at this point, we want to see the breakout of this zone, and with the breakout of the 750 based on daily chart, And even with the breakout of the 678 based on monthly chart or weekly chart, then I'm looking for to see the breakout of the 860. All right, that's mean the next target, the most important things based on higher time frame I'm looking for is 860, because with the breakout of the 860, then we are looking for 1.6. Okay, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.